Turn everyday bags into trash cans or waste bins. Make disposing waste convenient and easy. BagEZ is available in 3 sizes, to make managing waste, when enjoying the outdoors, or indoors, just as easy. Here's how. Have a grocery or trash bag, your BagEZ frame, and 2 BagEZ clips, ready. Start by partially opening the frame, and place in it the standing position. Open your bag, and wrap the edges over both sides frame, like so. Hold the bag at the top edge, where the bag folds over. Please keep it parallel to the frame. Pinch the bag at this spot, and pull it over the frame. This is where you will press on your BagEZ clips, to lock your bag in place. Pinch the bag on the opposite side, pull it over the frame. Just like this. And once again firmly press on your clips. That's it. You can make the bin opening as big as you want, to fit a lot of trash. BagEZ stands upright by itself without any help. But often when we are having fun, accidents happen. To prevent it from accidentally getting knocked over, and having everything spill out, slide or place an object over the tip, to make it sturdy. BagEZ is available in 3 sizes to ensure, no matter where you are, or go, when it comes to your trash, you're more than covered. BagEZ adapts to every situation so that you can fasten bags in a variety of ways to make bagging trash more convenient. Get creative, and never worry about trash again.